Welcome back, guys. I would go on that retouch, and here I would apply that makeup options on the photo, which I have been put it on it, and then I would go on that hair color options. So there are a lot of hairs and colors options which could be adjusted and put it on photo. It have changed the image like that, and favorite one could be chosen among these options. So dear friends, I have to choose on that one hair color for our pictures among these. So in the same way we could also apply that detail options on the image